Okay, I'm in April's bathroom, and I'm gonna play a prank on her. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna turn the toilet paper roll around so it comes off the back side. Look at this. Oh, wow. She's never gonna see it coming. Okay, and then we're gonna come in the shower. And we're gonna put the pink squishy thing over on the other side where the purple squishy thing was. Oh my goodness.